Hello everyone, welcome back to Know How. In today's video, we are going to see how ChatGPT can be used as an Excel formula generator. Many Excel users face situations where writing formulas become difficult. Sometimes there are multiple conditions, sometimes the dataset is large, and sometimes the logic becomes so complex that formula errors start appearing. But if you know how to give the right prompt to ChatGPT, it can generate complex Excel formulas for you within seconds. Today I will demonstrate this using a real employee dataset. Let's get started.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
Before we begin, let's take a quick look at the dataset. I have an employee dataset containing information for 50 employees. The dataset includes employee ID, employee name, department, city, basic salary, performance rating, year of service, employment type, and status. As you can see, employees belong to different departments such as IT, finance, HR, sales, and operation. Some employees work in Lahore, some in Karachi, Islamabad, Multan, Faisalabad, and Bahawalpur. This is the type of dataset that HR department commonly work with. Now imagine your manager asks for employees list based on multiple business conditions. Writing those formulas manually can become challenging. This is where ChatGPT becomes extremely useful. Let's start with a practical business requirement. Suppose we need a list of employees who are working in Lahore, have a salary greater than 90,000, have a performance rating above 4, and have an active status. Now, while this may not be impossible to write manually, it still requires combining multiple conditions correctly. Let's see how ChatGPT handle it. For this purpose, I am going to the ChatGPT. And here in the ChatGPT, for better result, I will click on this plus icon to add the Excel file to ChatGPT so that I can get good results. After providing the file, I am going to write the prompt for the specific condition that create an Excel formula that returns active employees from Lahore whose salary is above 90,000 and performance rating is above 4. So after writing this prompt, I am just sending this prompt. So here you can see that after working, the ChatGPT has provided us with two formulas. If we need all the record, we will use the first formula, and if we only need the names, then we can use the second formula. I'll go with the first one. So I'm going to copy this formula from here and I'll paste it in my Excel sheet, and let's see what we'll get. You can see that I'm getting the data as per my requirement. So you can see that it's very simple to use. Now let's move to our second example. In this example, if we want to find out top 5 highest paid employees in the IT department, now to solve this manually, we will need to filter IT employees, sort them by salary, and return only the first 5 records. This involves combining multiple Excel functions together. Let's ask this ChatGPT. So this time, because I have already added the file, I'm just writing the prompt and sending it in, and in return you can see I got this formula along with the explanation. I'm just going to copy this formula and I will test it in the Excel sheet. So here I'm going to paste that formula. So that's it. I get the top 5 highly paid employees in my dataset. ChatGPT combine the take, sort, and filter function to extract the data that we need. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing for more Excel tips and tutorials. Also, let me know in the comment what type of Excel problems you would like to solve using ChatGPT. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.